Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is V. If you're new here, I want to say thank you, and if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for coming back. In today's simple everyday eyeshadow look, I am going to use the SAHARAN 2 by Juvia'S Place. And the colors look like this. If you hear any noise today, I am recording and then there are landscapers working with the neighbor's yard, so please forgive the noise. I am putting this orange color in my crease and above my crease all the way to the brow bone. All that noise. It rained and they stopped for a little while. The rain stopped and they are working. So I am sorry, I cannot change that, but I need to record. So please forgive the noise. We have our first color down. This is the second color. It's a shimmer color. I'm using my fingers because it applies better with my fingers. And I'm putting the color all over my lid. Now I use a brush to get it to fall in place and shape it up. It's a blush. And this is today's simple eyeshadow look. I use the SAHARAN 2 by Juvia'S Place. The color I used, this color right here, is in my crease and above my crease to the brow bone. This color right here is on my lids and in my waterline. This color right here is in my brow bone and in my tear duct. I used 3 colors today. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember self first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I will see you in another simple eyeshadow look. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. This is nighttime. I have never filmed at night, so this is different. I hope it comes out good. Thank you again for watching. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.